Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fade out audio in Premiere Pro. So first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So here you can see that I added a video clip. So now I am on the end. So let me add exponential. So the effect that I'm going to add is fade out. So you simply need to click on Shift 7 here and you need to search for exponential fade. Select that and apply onto the voice clip, and now I'm going to show you next video. Thank you. So here you can listen as well. So this is the process by which you can add fade out audio effect in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.